You dey hypnotize me when you dance for me. You don't want to give nobody else up for me. Nah, nah, nah. I don't see your ways, but I know say you carry. That big body bend.
In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing this gorgeous blunt cut bob. This bob was really affordable and it looks super natural. If you're interested in the details on this wig and the pricing, stay tuned. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and without further ado, let's get right into the video. So the wig I have here is a Zury Sis Wig, or a sis sister wig, whichever you prefer to call it. This one is a lace front unit and it is in the style Shasha. I got it in the color 1B. So this is what the unit looks like. I am loving her. So let's just get right into the specs on the unit. So this is a lace front unit. I did have to cut the lace off, which I can appreciate because I hate when wigs are just lace parting and then they go into straight tracks right here. If the wind blows, you just be looking crazy, and I find those units to be extra bulky around the parting space right here, so I hate that. The lace on this unit is soft, which I love as well because it does not irritate my edges. So this is what the parting space is looking like. I did go in and pluck and then add concealer in there to make it look more natural. The parting was a bit dense, so I didn't like it. It made it look extra wiggy, so I had to go in and pluck. And this is how much hair I plucked out of the part. So yeah, it's quite a bit, but it really only took a few minutes to pluck, so it's really not that bad. Just plucking the parting space can really make or break your wig, so take your time when you're plucking. You don't want to over pluck, but when you pluck it just enough, it makes the wig look so much more natural, because I can tell right away when a wig is synthetic just by the parting space sometimes. The cut on this wig is blunt. I do love the cut on this unit. If you guys watched my Yara review about a year ago, you know I love the bob, but the cut on it was really weird. And the cut on this unit is a lot better than the Yara unit, I will say that. Look at that. This wig does lay extra flat. It is a little on the thinner side. It's not super thin and it's not thick. I feel like it's just right. I still like it a lot. It makes it look very natural. So the density is very natural on this unit. The texture on it is a light yaki. It does have little crimps in it just to make it look like actual hair that was straightened or relaxed. So they do that just to make it look a little bit more natural, and depending on your lighting situation, it really works out in your favor. So the texture on this unit is silkier than the Yara unit as well. I don't know exactly how long this wig is going to last, to be honest. The texture is really nice and it does seem like the unit can last a while. However, I've noticed with blunt cut bobs, the ends get really tangled, so you just have to be careful with that as well. I literally got the unit for $19.90 something off of Ebony line, and for the unit to be this great, the parting space, the fact that it's a full-on lace front, the texture, the fact that it's not really tangling or shedding yet, I really can't complain, you guys. Like, this wig looks like it's growing out of my scalp. At least from what I can see in my viewfinder, it looks like it's growing out of my scalp, and people who've seen the wig so far love it. So there's a nice long list of colors right here. Y'all, this wig looks amazing in some of these colors. I don't like the orange one as much as I've seen so far. It just looks super wiggy. This looks like natural hair. It has like a very nice natural luster to it as well. It looks like some healthy, freshly pressed hair. But I've noticed that orange color looks really dry and synthetic. I've seen the yellow one, I've seen the pink. Those two look nice. I can't really speak for other colors because I don't remember seeing any other colors, but y'all, if y'all don't have this wig, y'all need to go get this wig. And that's really all I have to say about that. This wig is a slay for only $20. Y'all, you can't beat this. Go get you one, sis. Anyways, that is all I have to say about this wig. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any questions or there's something I forgot to mention in this video, comment down below and let me know. Comment your thoughts on this wig. Do you like it? Do you not like it? Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.